Friends, welcome to another episode of Auto Afflicted. I'm your host, Ali Goulet, and today, special day, I got a shop. I'm going to take you inside, give you a full tour, let you know what the plans are for the shop, and we're going to get into all of that right now. Right, so got myself a shop. You know, sometimes you're like just dreaming of things, and then the next thing you know, those dreams are reality. Manifestation, I don't know. But I'm super excited about this, and I want to take you guys all inside. So let's go. Oh, don't come down on me. We're gonna go up. Hey, yeah. Right, so come on inside. This is Auto Afflicted Garage. It's a new space, pretty hyped. As you can see, we got some murals on the wall. My good friend Sweet Needles, aka also known as Galen Justice, he came through with his graffiti crew. He came through with Kerr over here. And in the other room I'm going to show you, also came through with Mr. Strut. And just bless the place with these nice pieces. I mean, wild style and all of that. Really super cool. And then also this way, got a bathroom. You gotta have a bathroom. It's unisex, which is nice. And you know, we're gonna be having tools through here, right in this zone here. Probably gonna put a lift, definitely gonna have a lift in here. And as you can see over here, I got myself a sink as well. It's my first industrial sink, and I got a mop, pretty fresh. It's official. Not to mention little Red Bull fridge. Don't miss the Red Bull fridge. So come this way, we'll come into the office, past the Kerr piece here. Oh, so this is gonna be the office. Not a huge space, but a beautiful space. And right over here, you can see this is Mr. Strut, the Mr. Strut piece. Pretty dope. Got nice leather couch, you know, Facebook Marketplace, $40 couch. You gotta have a place to take a nap and refresh. You know, when you strip a bolt or something, you need some downtime, the couch is here for you. So this is the spot, friends. I'm gonna get a mechanic in here. Start turning some wrenches. You know, I'll be turning my own wrenches, but I'm not a certified mechanic, so I'm not going to pretend to play that game. I'm going to be more of a shop manager, and we're going to do all the fun things in here. So, you know, if you've been itching to turbo your Benz, or, you know, suspension mods, roll fenders, regular maintenance stuff, all the things you may want, we're going to be doing it here at Auto Afflicted Garage. So excited for that, very excited for that. And if you're a mechanic, you know, I am looking for a mechanic. We want to work on European stuff, obviously. Japanese stuff is cool. Chinese stuff, I don't know, Chinese stuff is all right. But anyway, if you're a mechanic and you're interested in applying, you can definitely email me at autoafflicted@gmail.com. I'll put it in the description here as well. But I will have an official listing coming soon, looking for a mechanic. And yeah, just excited to get it going. This is kind of why I've been silent for the last little bit, and we've just been working this up. So excited, very excited. And soon enough, we're gonna get the turbo Benz in here because we gotta take that apart. So we'll have the turbo Benz in here. My buddy's coming down from Montana with some of his Benz, like an S55, the old $2,400 S55 from the channel that we did earlier last year. And yeah, so like I say, soon enough, we'll be full of cars, and I'm gonna invite everyone over for kind of a soft opening, house warming as well. So look for the invite. And otherwise, friends, just excited to show this to you. Thank you for checking it out. As always, you know the deal. Keep your car registered, have insurance, use your signals when you're driving, and otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.